My name is Dave Rowland, and I'm President and CEO of the Oklahoma Manufacturing Alliance. We're a nonprofit organization that is solely dedicated to creating a sustainable and an innovative manufacturing sector in the state of Oklahoma. The Oklahoma Manufacturing Alliance, along with the Oklahoma Center for the Advancement of Science and Technology, I2E, and the New Product Development Center at OSU, form the Oklahoma Innovation Model. It's an integrated group of resources that basically create and promote innovation through the industries in Oklahoma. OCAST provides funding and research to the industries, while I2E basically helps create sustainable business models and can provide capital growth funding to organizations. We're the Oklahoma Manufacturing Alliance. We take companies, manufacturers, and actually make them competitive and innovative so that they can compete in the global economy. Continuous improvement is a necessity for any manufacturer in today's competitive world. If you're not basically looking every day on how you can improve, you're going to be left behind and you're not going to be as successful as you should be able to. With the fast-paced changes that are going on in technology and the global economy moving from region to region, has put more pressure on especially small and medium-sized manufacturers in our state. And the Oklahoma Manufacturing Alliance works with each of them to develop those continuous improvement skills, as well as work with them to bring technology, workforce skills, and so forth to them so they can stay competitive and be a leader in the segments that they represent. The rate of technology advancement today is just unprecedented. Technology is replacing itself at a rate of once every 12 to 14 months now in manufacturing. And some of the manufacturing technologies that we're looking at are digital manufacturing, which includes the Internet of Things. We have to be able to use sensor technology. We have to be able to communicate with our supply chain. And the new robots with artificial intelligence are really creating a lot of changes in here. And of course, additive manufacturing or 3D manufacturing is really a disruptive technology that is changing the way manufacturing is going to look and feel and approach the world in the next 5 to 10 years. The Oklahoma Manufacturing Alliance is specifically focused on helping manufacturers address some of these changes and these new trends. And the technologies, for instance, we have a trained staff of engineers that are not only out helping educate our manufacturers within the state, they are also helping the manufacturers understand how that technology can help their business models, how they can apply it into their own organizations, and then commercialize it and add value to their bottom lines. The other major challenge that we're facing with the new technology and the changes is having the skills and an available workforce to be able to drive these changes and stay competitive. The Oklahoma Manufacturing Alliance is dedicated to improving that skills gap. In fact, in Oklahoma, it's estimated by year 2020, there'll be 30,000 manufacturing jobs that won't be filled due to not having the appropriate skill levels. So we're dedicating ourselves to help grow that. In fact, just recently, we have dedicated a new position for workforce development that will work with the manufacturers to make sure that their skills and requirements are being met with the educational facilities, and that those skill levels and so forth are certifiable and transferable among the different manufacturers within our region. Oklahoma Manufacturing Alliance, first of all, is part of a national organization, the Manufacturing Extension Partnership Program, that brings resources from all over the country, including federal labs, other centers throughout the United States from that aspect. So we have capabilities not only locally through the 250 years of experience that we have within our own center, to a national network that can link us with federal labs, the National Institute of Standards and Technology Research, colleges such as Tulsa University, Oklahoma State University, OU, etc. So we bring an extensive network of resources and capabilities to our manufacturers to help them grow and prosper into the future.